Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and restore and tap on backup data. Now we have to add the Google account, so let's simply tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it quickly. Alright, let's tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And right here we've got another backup section where you can actually check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got the backup details, so you can always check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, just tap on backup now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.